Do you want to understand how websites are actually created? In just 5 minutes, I'll teach you the HTML basics you need to get started. We'll understand important HTML tags, see exactly how they work, and create our first web page step by step. Let's begin.
Disclaimer. This video was created with the assistance of artificial intelligence. AI can make mistakes. This content is for educational purposes only.
Hello everyone, welcome to Dev Technology. Today we'll start learning HTML from scratch. Let's begin. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create the structure of every web page. Every website you visit starts with HTML. Learning HTML is the first step toward becoming a professional web developer. HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language that tells the browser how to display content. HTML is made of tags. Tags tell the browser whether the content is a heading, paragraph, image, or many other elements. To start coding, we only need Visual Studio Code and a web browser like Google Chrome. Both are free to use. Every HTML web page is saved with the .html extension. We'll create our first HTML file named index.html. Let's create our first HTML page. Type an exclamation mark and press enter to generate the basic HTML template. The first line is doctype HTML. It tells the browser that this page uses the latest HTML5 standard. The HTML tag is the root element. Everything on your web page is written inside this HTML tag. The head tag stores information about the web page, like the title, CSS links, and other important settings. The body tag contains everything visible on the web page, including text, images, buttons, and other content. Great! Now you understand the basic HTML structure. Now let's understand the title tag. The text inside the title tag appears on the browser tab, not inside the web page. The h1 tag creates the largest heading on a web page. HTML provides 6 heading levels, from h1 to h6. The paragraph tag is used to write normal text. It helps organize information into readable paragraphs. After writing your code, save the file. Refresh your browser to see the latest changes. Most HTML elements have an opening tag and a closing tag. The content is always written between them. The BR tag creates a line break. It moves the next content to a new line without starting a new paragraph. The HR tag creates a horizontal line. It separates different sections of a web page for better readability. HTML comments are written between less than exclamation dash dash and dash dash greater than. Comments help explain code but never appear on the web page. The B tag makes text bold, the I tag makes text italic, and the U tag underlines the selected text. The strong tag gives important meaning to bold text, while the EM tag adds emphasis, usually displayed as italic text. Excellent! You have now learned several essential HTML tags that form the foundation of every web page. Now you can see how all these HTML tags work together to create a simple web page from scratch. The browser reads your HTML code from top to bottom and displays the web page according to each tag. The best way to learn HTML is by practicing. Try writing these tags yourself and experiment with different content. Always remember to close your HTML tags correctly. Small mistakes can affect how your web page is displayed, so make sure to double check your code. Today we learned HTML basics, document structure, headings, paragraphs, formatting tags, line breaks, comments, and many essential HTML elements. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to Dev Technology. Thank you for watching and happy coding.